to do class second, chapter 1, a day at the beach. So, okay, in this, we have a beach, and many people are playing and selling things. So, look at the above picture, count and write the number of objects given below. So, here are some criteria of objects, and we have to write how many objects there are. I think you remember this from class first. So, okay, in this, firstly, we'll see how many coconuts there are. So, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 coconuts. So, we have to write 10. 10. Then now we will find how many boats there are. So there's one, one, two, three, four, and then one, two, three, four. One, two, three, four. So there's four in each pack. So you have to write 12. Oh, 12. But while I was counting the boats, I saw there's also coconuts here, bundles. There's five, 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 five. So that's 25. 25. Then we got how many children there are. Now we have to count the number of children in this place. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 children. Look out of any children here. Nope, no children. So we have to write 6. Now how many oranges there are? Firstly, there is, you have to zoom in for this. There's one, this firstly, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 oranges. So then we got here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We got 10 oranges in each basket. So meaning that uh, we got 20 oranges. So okay. Next. Now look at the shop shown in the picture and fill in the blanks. So okay. You have to look at this picture, this, and answer the following questions. There are 1. There are dash necklaces in shells with 10 shells in each necklace. Now we have to count how many necklaces there are. If you don't know necklaces, it's like what do you tie like around your neck. You have to count that. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 necklaces. And this won't count because the shopkeeper, didn't even make that. So we have to write it. So we have to write that as there are 10 necklaces. 10 necklaces. Then there is 2. There are dash groups of balloons with dash balloons in each group and dash loose balloons. That's a lot of dashes. So, okay, we have to see how many groups of balloons there are. If we count, mess. So there is one, two, two, three, four, five, six bunches. So we have to go and write 6. And now groups of balloons with dash balloons, meaning how many balloons there are in one group of balloon. So we can see that there are one, two, three, four balloons. So there are 4 balloons in each group of balloons. Then and dash loose balloons, which are can't be in this 6 groups of 4 balloons. And we can see that this boy took 2 balloons. So meaning the 2 balloons are loose. So we have to write here 2. Uh, 2. Now in the third one, there are bunches, there are dash bunches of bananas with dash bananas in each bunch and dash loose bananas. It's almost like the balloon thing, but with bananas now. Now if we look up, we see that there are one, two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 10, 11, 12. So we got 12 groups. So we have to write here 12. There are 12 bunches of bananas with dash bananas in each bunch, meaning how many bananas there are in one banana bunch. So we can see that if we look very closely, extreme closely, it's a little lagging. So then there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, there are 7 bunches. There are 7 bananas in each bunch. So our answer is going to be, wow, scroll to down, is 7 bananas in each bunch and dash loose bananas. You have to see how many loose bananas there are. So we can see this little pitiful bunch with having 1, 2, 3, 4 bananas, and they are also separated and not in a group of bananas. So we have to write 4 loose bananas. Okay, now out of that picture, Subira has collected some seashells. She wants to help her mother in making bracelets and necklaces. See, she made these seashells out of to make bracelets and necklaces. So, yeah. Then in this, see, Surbala have made dash groups of seashells with her dash shells in each group for her bracelets. So then she have made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 groups of seashells. So we have to write 10, and then we have to find how many seashells there are in each bracelet. Is a bracelet? Okay. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shells. So you have to write 5. Now, now D. Her mother has made dash groups of seashells with her dash number of shells each group for her necklaces. Okay. Shubhil's mother has made some necklaces, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 necklaces. Well, to make 5 groups of seashells with dash number of shells each group for our necklaces. So now we have to count how many shells are there in each necklace. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 shells. So we have to write 10. Okay, now this Shurbhil has said, try a tongue twister. She says she seashells at the seashore. Tongue twisting to me. Like this. Let us think. Recreating it. List out the objects that come in packs of 10. So we have to think of which things come in 10. So, firstly, there are pencils. Pencil. Yeah. Then we have to think of another thing that comes in packs of 10. What could it be? Um, hmm, hmm. What can it be? What can it be? Oh, aha, pens. And then one last object, which can be um crayons. Yeah, crayons usually come in packs of 10. Crayon. I'm going outside, it's all fine. Ooh, tasty chikus. Manju is helping his father in selling chikus that he has arranged in these trays. So Manjo is helping his father sort out these chikus on his father's shop, and he have arranged it in trays. There are dash chikus in one tray, so we have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 chikus. I have to write 10 chick. There are 10 chikus in one tray. Now, how many chikus are there in total? So, if we know there is 10, so meaning there is 10 in this, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So meaning there are 8 trays. But it's saying how many chicos there are in total. And I'm not going to count it. There are 8 trays in each 10. So this is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 chicos. So there are 80. Now, now help Manju placing all the chicos in these trays for selling. So now we have to sell these chicos. A 25 chicos which looks like this. So meaning there are one, two trays of 10 chicos. So that's right. Two and dash chicos. So one, two, three, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My fingers are not the most accurate. Um, why can't I write 5? Okay, 43 chicos, which looks like this, dash 10 trays of 10 chicos and dash chicos. So this is a trick that is very easy. So this second number from the end are trays of tens and then this and the end number is how many loose chicos are there. So we use that tag. So in C there are 35 chicos. It looks like this. Dash trays of 10 chicos and dash chicos. So then at the first we got 3. So it will be 10 trays of 10, 3 trays of 10 chicos. And then there will at the last one which is 5, so there are 5 chicos. Then we got 58 chicos which looks like this. That's a lot of chicos. Dash trays of 10 chicos and dash chicos. So then we at the first one we got 5, so there are 5 trays of 10 chicos. And then at the last number which is 8 are how many chicos there are. 8. Whew. Let us match. Now in this we have to match. There are these wordings and we have to match it with these many chicos. So then we got 80 chicos. Now we can see that this has 1. Usually these trays have 10 in each. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 chicos on our very first try. Wow. We have to match it with this. Then we got 72 chicos. And by the way, this is another trick. So ignore this 10 digit and just see how many ones there are. So there is there will be 7 trays of 10 and 2 loose chicos. So there's 1, 2. So I have to match it with that. So then we got 56 chicos. Then we'll cut the trays of chicos. Then we got 6 chicos, and here we see 6 chicos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you have to match it with that. And last we got the 28 chicos, and we will only match with the last one. That. Now, fun with blocks and strips. This is a block strip which having 10 blocks in this. Can you tell how many blocks there are in this block stick? So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 blocks. So it's 10. Now look at my 10 step. A step looks like this. And there's a clear difference between stick and strip. Stick is a three is like a cube, but a strip is just squares. Can you tell how many units there are in the 10 strip? So count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 units. So you have to write 10. Now let us do. Okay, this is the example. We got 3 boxed strips and then 4 blocks. To a total of 34, my roll number. So then got this. So you have to count how many block strips there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 block strips. So you have to write 5. 5 block strips. And then 1, 1, 2, 3. So you have to write 3 block strips, which is total of 53. 53. Yeah. Then we got this one. 1, 2, 3, 4 block strips. So we write 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks. So meaning our answer is 44. 44. Now in this we got strips, no block strips or sticks. Then we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 10 strips to write 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units. So we have to write 6. So it is 46. Now we got 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10 strips. So it is 6. And now we got 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 units. So there's 8. So there is total 68. Now it's last one. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10 steps to write 6. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 units. So that's 8. And that's yet again 68. Yeah, these two are the exact same. Now complete the below table. So this is a table and we have to write how many 10 steps in units. So okay, 24. This is example. There's 2 10 steps and 4 units. Now I got 36. So here the starting number is 3. So we'll write 3. And then the end number is 6. So we have to write 6. Now we got 72. There is a 7 at the start, 7, and then a 2 at the end. 2, no, 2, 2. Then we got 69. The starting number is 6. The end number is 9. 46. Its starting number is 4 and its end number is 6. Now this is a pretty hard to example, but so let us make hundreds. These two children have made hundreds. Look, I have joined 10 strips together. These are made up of total 100 units. Yeah, meaning 10 tens. Okay, in this, there is 10 in this entire thing. So then we got one, two, three, four, five. There's 5 red ones and one, two, three, 4, 5 yellow ones. So there is yellow and then 10, meaning 10, 10, 20, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. The 50, 50 yellow units and then 10, 20, 20, 30, 40, 50 red units. So I have to make again 50. Wait, 50 and 50 are equal, so they are the exact same result. So there is 5 10 steps because the starting number is 5 and there is red. There's 5 red steps because the starting number is 5. So then we got total 100 100 units or 10 steps. That is what I was trying to say. So I think you already got an idea of this. So I think you can do this by your own. So okay. I'm telling one more example and the last one you do it by yourself. So okay, there is 1, 2, 3, 4 yellow strips, meaning 10, 20, 30, 40. There's 40. And then there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 red units, meaning 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 red units. And the starting number is 4 yellow strips and the start of 60 is 6. So the total units is still 100 or 10 or 10 steps. I think you can do this by yourself. I gave you the entire thing. So this is an activity. You can play this with your friends. So I'm going to explain the very last of it. I have placed triangle card for a group of 10 shells and circle card for 1 shell, meaning that triangle card is equals to 10 and then circle card is equals to just 1. Let us think. Thinking power. Complete the following. Okay. In this, because an example. So there's 3 10s, meaning 3 triangles, and 1 circle, which is 1. So 30 plus 1, or it can be done like this. So okay. So there were a total of 31 shells. So okay. In this, now, got 1, 2, 3 10. So we have to write 3 and 1, 2 circles, meaning 2 ones. So we have to write 30 here, and then 2 here. Or we can do this. You could be 3 and you could be 2. So we got our answer 32. Now we got 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5 triangles, which is 5 tens, and then 1, 2, 3 circles, which is 3 ones. So it is 50 plus 3, or 5 and then 3, which is